This UK TikTok account was created from Nigeria. So if you are in Africa, you can create a free UK TikTok account for free. I will teach you how to create a UK TikTok account from anywhere outside the United Kingdom for free. So let's go there. So once you come to your Play Store, Apple Store, you go and download your TikTok and maybe you enable it or it will show you open. So if your own does not show you enable, you can show you open. So once it opens, so this TikTok, I just installed it for the first time. This is a fresh TikTok account. I'll show you the easy way on how to open a UK TikTok account without VPN or anything, without paying money to anybody. You can open it by yourself. By yourself. So I don't choose what you like. Let me just go for skip for now. Let me go for skip for now because you can choose if you wish, but me, I'll click on the skip. So now this is the first time I'm installing TikTok on this phone, so that's why it's giving me some of this direction. Say swipe to watch. So if this is not a first time, you can just go straight to where I'm going right now. So I'll go to profile, click on profile. I'll click on profile. So note if your own does not have it comes direct like this, just go to the top of your profile and you click add account. You click add account and you start this process I'm showing you. This is a new phone and this is a new TikTok account. Just to show if you already have an account on TikTok and you want to open a new UK TikTok, just go to your top where your name is, click it. It will bring add account or add profile. I don't know, but that's what it's going to tell you. It's because this one is just a new phone. That is why this is the first time I'm installing TikTok on this new phone. That is why it's trying to tell me that I need to click on I need to set up a profile. So click on your add account. So once you click on add account, it will bring you to this place where it says leave at that top. Just leave where it's written at the top. So just click. You see this place says by continue with an account located in Nigeria, you agree to our terms of services and acknowledge that you have read our privacy and policy. So if you have not read their privacy and policy, you can go and read it. But for me, I'll be clicking that Nigeria on it. You see, it says by continuing with our account located in Nigeria. So you'll be clicking on the Nigeria, that Nigeria, click on it. Let your finger click on it. So once your finger click on it, it will give you a list of country. Please search for United Kingdom. Search for United Kingdom. Search for United Kingdom. Don't, if you are outside United States and you create a United States account, it will get to a stage where if you want to verify or you want to monetize, it will ask you for documents of the United States that you outside the United States can get it or can afford it. So the United Kingdom account is more safer and better for content creation because it will very easily verify and you easily monetize. All you need is just your ID card to monetize your United Kingdom TikTok account. So once you come, you search for United Kingdom, you click on United Kingdom, and it's boom. Sorry, it's trying to open. So so the next thing you do is click on continue with Google. Click on continue with Google. So click on continue with Google. So you select an email. Please select an email that is not associated with any TikTok account. I know you may have multiple email accounts, but some of them have created a TikTok account before. Please select the one that does not. Okay, just create a new create a new email address. Just create a new Gmail and select the Gmail which is not associated with TikTok. And this one is not associated, so I've clicked on it. Let me continue. So I'll select my date of birth. I'll select my date of birth. If you know your birth mate, comment on this video. Say birth mate. So this is my date of birth. So I click on continue. So once I am in now, yeah, this is my nickname. This is opposite of who I am. I just so I continue. Click on continue. So let's go and check if this account is created as a UK TikTok account. Remember, I'm in Nigeria creating this account. I didn't travel to any UK. I'm in Nigeria. I created this TikTok account. So let's check now. So you go to that top, that three line at the top. The three line at the top, you click on it. You come to settings and privacy. You click on it. So once you click on settings and privacy, you go to account, you click on account, then you click on account information, then you see boom, United Kingdom. United Kingdom. Look at it, account region, United Kingdom. Your account region is initially set based on the time and place of registration. So we created this account in as a United Kingdom account. This I created this absolutely for free. I don't know why people are paying money. This is ignorance. Please share this video, like and subscribe. These things I created are just for free. Please subscribe and share this video to your friends. Tell them this is how I created it.